Good morning, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Lake Park. See, this lake, they made this to put the duck all here. All the duck, they gonna put all the tea. Look at the water fountain there. Oh, that's a water fountain. And the footbridge. Yay! The duck is flying. The duck is flying. Yay! Hello! Ay, the bird is flying. This is the bird. Oh, they're flying away. See, oh. Oh. This is the view of Lake Park. This is man-made Lake Park. The duck is, swimming. There, oh. And that's, this is Cornish Street. Cornish Street. Abu Dhabi. There's so many bird there. The bird is there. They're eating. Somebody gave them food. Let's see. Okay. See, this is the view of the lake park. They have a nice view. See, I show you the footbridge here. Anyway, guys, happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend and enjoy the Valentine's celebration. See, look at the bird is in the see, so many birds here. Oh, because they're eating. Somebody gave them food. See, the bird is there. They're flying. Yeah. They're flying. The bird is flying. Ah. Let's see, the water fountain. This is the footbridge crossing the other side. And see, I need to take photo with the water fountain. Here. See this is the view of the Lake Park. I'm gonna take a photo. Hi. Welcome to my vlog. I want to take a photo. Here. With the water fountain in the back of me. See, This is man-made lake. They make this lake to put all the duck here. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion. And of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. See here a nice view. The footbridge is wet. Yeah, a nice view. Bye guys. Enjoy your weekend and your Valentine's Day celebration.